Well, it has been more than a week since a historic blizzard hit western New York. Dozens died and thousands spent days without any heat or electricity. Thanks for staying up late with us. I'm Claudine Ewing. Tonight, the outpouring of support continues for those who lost loved ones. And tonight, 2 on your side's Anndel Taylor stopped by a vigil just a few hours ago for Anndel Taylor.
Love you, Anndel! Love you!
Tonight, members of the Buffalo community saying goodbye to 22-year-old Anndel Taylor, who died while waiting for help. Sending these videos to her sisters while trapped in her car last Friday on her way home from work as a nurse.
She left her home to go take care of other people, and nobody was there for her.
Taylor and her family called for help, but it wasn't until a day after her body was already found that authorities called back.
Monday, they called me and asked me, was I in a safe place? If I was in a safe place. If they listened to the message, they would have known it wasn't me, it was my daughter that was in need.
The Taylor family is one of dozens of families across western New York that will be holding candles and comforting one another over the coming days and weeks as the city remembers the 40 who passed in its deadliest blizzard ever.
Buffalo was not prepared for this. It's something they should have been prepared for.
But tonight, the Taylor family is choosing to remember not the way that Anndel went, but the bright light that she was.
If you're in a bad mood, she'll always make you happy. And that's what I loved about her. And I just think it was too early for her to go.
Anndel Taylor, Channel 2 News, Buffalo.